हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम सोशियोलॉजी के इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक्स को पढ़ेंगे। सिंबॉलिक इंटरेक्शनलिज्म, ड्रामेटिकल अप्रोच। G.H. नट एंड एच ब्लमर की सिंबॉलिक इंटरेक्शनलिज्म थ्योरी। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारा यही रहेगा, जी एच नट एंड एच ब्लमर। इंट्रो। Symbolic interactionism is an important sociological theory that explains how people create meaning through social interaction. This theory was mainly developed by George Herbert Mead and later expanded by Herbert Blumer. Meaning of symbolic interactionism. Symbolic interactionism means that human beings interact with one another through symbols, language, and gestures. Symbols or things that carry meaning. Example: language, sign, expression, gesture. According to this theory, people behave accordingly to the meaning they give to situation. These meanings are learned through social interaction. Example: a red traffic light means stop. Holding hands may mean respect. This the society is based on shared meaning and communication. Main ideas of G.H. Mead. The self develops through interaction. Mead believed that the human self is not present at birth. It develops through interaction with others. Example: children learn manners from parents and teachers. I and me. Mead divided the self into two parts. I. The I is the personal and spontaneous part of the self. It represented individuals' freedom, creativity. Example: sudden emotion reaction. Me. The me is the social part of the self. It developed from society expectations and rules. Example: behaving politely in public. Human behavior is the result of interaction between I and me. Role taking means understand the feeling and viewpoint of others. People imagine how others see them and behave accordingly. Example: a student behaves respectfully before a teacher. A child copies parents' behavior. This process helps individuals adjust to society. Main ideas of Herbert Blumer. Human act on meaning. Blumer said people act based on the meanings they attach to things. Example: a police uniform creates feeling of authority. A national flag creates feeling of patriotism. Meaning come from interaction. Meanings are not natural or fixed. They develop through communication and interaction with others. Words have meaning because society agree on them. Meanings change over time. Blumer believed meanings can change according to situation and experience. Example: fashion style changes over time. The society is dynamic and continuously changing. Importance of symbolic interactionalism. Explains everyday life. This theory helps to understanding daily social interaction. Example: friendship, family relation, classroom behavior. Importance of communication. It explains the role of language, symbol, gesture in society. Without communication, social life is impossible. Helps understand personality development. Matt explained how human personality develops through society and interaction. Useful in studying small groups. The group is very useful in studying families, peer groups, schools, workplace. Criticism of symbolic interactionalism. Ignores large social structure. Critics say that the theory too much focus on small interaction and ignores economy, politics, social class. Less attention to conflict and power. The theory mainly studies communication and meaning but gives less importance to social conflict and inequality. Difficult to study scientifically. Some sociologists believe meaning and emotions are difficult to measure scientifically. Overemphasis on individual interaction. Critics say human behavior is also influenced by social institutions, not only interactionism. Example, government law, religion, economic system. अभी हमने एक क्वेश्चन को कंप्लीट किया है, इसके नोट्स मैं आपको फिर से दिखाती हूँ, फिर हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन रीड आउट करेंगे। अभी अगर आपको मेरे नोट्स अच्छे लग रहे हो तो मेरे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करना, आपको ऐसी वीडियोस मिलते रहेंगे। एक प्यारा सा कमेंट करके भी बताएं कि आपको मेरे नोट्स कितने हेल्पफुल लगे। अगर आपको किसी चीज़ की समझ नहीं आती है तो वो भी मेरे को कमेंट में बता दें, तो मैं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में समझा दूँगी। अब हम सेकंड क्वेश्चन पढ़ेंगे। Erving Goffman, Dramatical Approach. Erving Goffman was a famous sociologist who developed the dramatical approach in sociology. अगर आप 2-3 बार इस वीडियो को देखेंगे, रीड आउट करेंगे, आपको इसका मीनिंग अपने आप खुद समझ आ जाएगा। आप इसको नोटबुक पे लिख लेना सिर्फ। Goffman believed that in everyday life, people perform different roles depending on the situation and audience. Human behavior changes according to place, time, and social expectations. His theory is mainly explained in his famous book, The Presentation of Self in Everyday Life. Meaning of dramatical approach. The word dramatic comes from drama or threat. According to Goffman, social life is like a stage performance. People are like actors. They perform roles, wear social masks, try to impress others. Society is like a stage where individuals continuously manage their behavior and appearance. Example, a teacher behaves differently in the classroom and at home. A shopkeeper speaks politely to customers to create a good image. Thus, human interaction is similar to acting in a drama. Meaning, main ideas, society as a stage. Goffman compared society to a theatre stage. In social life, इंडिविजुअल्स को उन्होंने एक्टर बताया है, सोसाइटी को स्टेज, बिहेवियर को परफॉर्मेंस एंड अदर पीपल्स ऑडियंस. पीपल परफॉर्म डिफरेंट सोशल रोल्स अकॉर्डिंग टू सिचुएशन. एग्जाम्पल, अ डॉक्टर एक्ट प्रोफेशनली इन अ हॉस्पिटल. फ्रंट स्टेज बिहेवियर. फ्रंट स्टेज बिहेवियर refers to public behavior shown before others. People carefully manage their action, language, dress, and expression to create a positive impression. Example, students behave politely in front of teachers. Front stage behavior follows social expectations. Backstage behavior refer to private behavior where individuals relax and act naturally. People do not need to perform or impress others in backstage situation. Example, a teacher relaxing at home, workers joking during break times. Thus, behavior changes between public and private life. Impression management means controlling behavior to influence how others see us. People try to present themselves positively. Example, wearing plain cloth during interview, speaking politely before guests. Role performance Individual many roles in society. Student, parents, friend, employees. Each role has expected behavior. Example, a police officer behaves strictly while on duty. Parents behave responsibly before children. Audience means the people who observe the performance. Individuals change behavior depending on the audience. A person behaves differently with friends and elders. Importance: explain everyday interaction, importance of social roles, help understand human behavior, useful in modern society. Criticism: society is more than acting. Human behavior is not always fake or dramatic. Many actions are natural and emotions. Ignores the social structure. The theory focuses mainly on individual interaction and ignores social class, economy, politics. Less attention to emotions. Goffman gave more importance to performance and less importance to real emotions. अगर आप आगे भी सोशोलॉजी के इम्पोर्टेंट्स टॉपिक्स पर वीडियो देखना चाहते हैं तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और हाँ, कमेंट में मुझे ये ज़रूर बताएं कि आपको आज की वीडियो कैसी लगी। धन्यवाद।